Since you're watching this video, you're most likely searching for a ClickFunnels alternative. ClickFunnels is a software that enables you to build different types of marketing funnels. A funnel is basically a series of pages your visitors go through to reach a certain goal, such as purchasing a product, and then possibly being upsold a product at the next step in that funnel. I personally love ClickFunnels, but it isn't the cheapest option. You can read some reviews and a nice deep dive into the ClickFunnels software at funnelsprice.com. But basically, the cheapest option is $97 per month, which many online entrepreneurs can't afford when starting out. So when I'm working on a budget with a client, I choose to use WordPress, which is a free CMS, and then I use the funnel plugin called Ultimate Funnel Upsell. You can exclusively download this WordPress funnel plugin at the following URL: www.funnelsprice.com/clickfunnels-alternative. So for the Ultimate Funnel Upsell WordPress plugin to work properly, you'll need to install WooCommerce on your WordPress website and create a product. The Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin works on top of WooCommerce and allows you to upsell customers during the WooCommerce checkout process. So just how ClickFunnels enables you to upsell customers, this WordPress plugin does the same. So first, like I said, we need to install WooCommerce on our WordPress website and add products if you haven't done so already. So log into your WordPress website backend. Then in the left sidebar under Plugins, click Add New, search for WooCommerce, and then click Install Now next to that WooCommerce option. Finally, click that Activate button, and now you can add your shop's products to your WooCommerce store. Just click that Products option in the left sidebar, and then click Add New. So next you'll need to install this WordPress Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin. So just head over to the URL funnelsprice.com/clickfunnels-alternative. This plugin is hosted on the #1 platform for hosting premium WordPress plugins called freemius.com. They host and sell WordPress plugins for developers while providing a safe, secure transaction for customers like yourself. So just click this button to be redirected to the Freemius link to download and install the Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin. Once you fill out this form and click the Review Order button, next all you need to do is check your email for the Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin download link. Once you click that link, you can download the .zip plugin folder. Again, compared to the $97 a month for ClickFunnels, this $19 is super cheap. Plus they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So give it a test and get your money back if you don't like it. So once you have that zip folder downloaded from your email, head back over to your WordPress website backend. Again, in the left sidebar under Plugins, click Add New. Only this time, instead of searching for a plugin, just click that Upload Plugin button. Now click the Choose File button and upload that Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin .zip folder that we've downloaded from our email. The plugin will upload. Now just click that Activate Plugin button. Now since WooCommerce is updating constantly, this plugin needs to update with WooCommerce in sync. So just click this Allow and Continue button to ensure your Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin is always up to date. Next, under WooCommerce, under Settings, Payments, make sure to toggle on a payment option for the Ultimate Funnel Upsell. So PayPal or Stripe or any of these Ultimate Funnel Upsell payment options. You need at least one of these enabled for the upsell checkout to work properly. All right, now your Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin is installed on your WordPress website. You'll see it in the left sidebar under WooCommerce. So first things first, we need to create our first UFU. That is short for Ultimate Funnel Upsell. So click this far left tab, Create UFU. So it's here we'll create our first upsell. This means when a customer adds a certain product to their cart and then they check out, they will be offered this upsell product that we specify. So in this example, you can see I created an upsell that will be activated when a customer checks out with the product titled NOD Biotin in their cart. We can either specify specific products here for the upsell to work with, or we can simply select upsell for all products. So this upsell is enabled when a customer checks out for any product. So the upsell offer will be for 3 more bottles of Biotin at 50% off. You can keep adding upsell offers as you wish. For example, adding another upsell offer only when a customer accepts this upsell. Since I know they're buying 4 bottles already, I could offer them a pill organizer or some other upsell product that would make sense for this type of purchase. Also notice the offer page URL. This is the URL where I need to add my upsell cart shortcodes. You may have noticed in the Ultimate Funnel Upsell dashboard, the shortcodes tab. Just click that shortcodes tab to display the accept and deny, or yes and no shortcodes. So this yes and no shortcode are for your offer page URL. The yes is placed around the buy now or add to cart button. The no will be placed around the no thanks, continue with my original purchase option. So these are just the shortcodes you will copy and paste onto your upsell landing page. Now I personally use the plugin Elementor for all my landing pages on WordPress. But you can paste these shortcodes into any WordPress page or post as well. But I'll show you how I do it with the Elementor page builder. So again, in WordPress plugins, just search for Elementor and click install. Then just create a page or post. Now on that new page, click the Edit Elementor button. So now I'm in the Elementor editor. I can build out my landing page, add images, add text, titles, and build out this upsell landing page. As you can see, I pasted the yes shortcode below the offer image around the text phrase, yes, add these 3 bottles to my order. By placing this shortcode around this text will now be a hyperlink that adds these 3 bottles to my order. Now text isn't required. You could place these shortcodes around a button or an image, such as an add to cart button. Now I scroll down a bit. As you can see here below my upsell yes shortcode link, I added the no thanks, I just want my original order using the no shortcode. So I placed the no shortcode around that phrase. So it is a hyperlink for directing that user to the checkout confirmation page. This is all automatically done by the Ultimate Upsell Funnel WordPress plugin. So finally we can view and edit our past funnel upsells we've created under the Your UFUs tab. So let me walk you through an example Ultimate Funnel upsell I created with this WordPress plugin. So once a customer has your specified upsell product in their cart and they fill out this checkout page, instead of redirecting to the WooCommerce checkout confirmation page, they will be redirected to the upsell landing page URL. So here we go. I checked out and this is my first upsell offer. If they click no, I specified to just complete the original checkout. But if they click yes, I set a second offer to trigger. As you can see here in the Ultimate Funnel Upsell I've created, under my Your UFUs tab, the second offer is 40% off an additional 5 bottles. Now I know this may sound crazy to offer this, but I'm telling you, people love deals and will buy in bulk if the price is right. So here's what happens. When they add 1 bottle to their cart, I first upsell them 3 at a 20% off discount. If they accept that, then I offer them offer number 2, 5 more bottles at 40% off. If they reject, they still added offer 1 to their cart and can check out, and it'll be redirected to the WooCommerce checkout confirmation page. Again, this is all handled by Ultimate Funnel Upsell, and all you need to create are these upsell landing pages using these shortcodes. So here's that second offer upsell landing page. As you can see, I have the yes and no shortcodes around text again on this second upsell offer page. So again, I highly suggest, if you can't afford the hefty price tag of the ClickFunnels monthly subscription, try this ClickFunnels alternative called Ultimate Funnel Upsell. Again, you can only install this WordPress plugin at the URL funnelsprice.com/clickfunnels-alternative. So give the Ultimate Funnel Upsell plugin a try. There's nothing to lose with their 30-day money-back guarantee.